Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to get a Gemini key. First, head over to the Google AI Studio website. You'll need a Google account to sign in, so make sure you have one ready. Once you're logged in, look for the Get API Key section. This is where we'll start the simple process of generating your unique key for Gemini. After locating the API Key section, you'll see an option to Create API Key in New Project. Click this button, and almost instantly, a brand new, unique API key will be generated just for you. It's crucial to copy this key immediately to your clipboard. You'll need it for your applications, so don't lose it. With your new API key copied, the next step is to integrate it into your application's code. Remember, this key is like a password, so store it securely and never expose it publicly in your client-side code or repositories. After integration, always test your application thoroughly to ensure the key is functioning correctly and your Gemini calls are successful. It's important to manage your API keys responsibly. If you ever suspect your key has been compromised, regenerate it immediately for security. Also, keep an eye on your API usage to ensure you stay within any free tier limits. And hey, while you're optimizing your digital life, why not freshen up your physical space? Life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.